AFMING is a subsidiary of Topstar Technology, which is a professional CNC machine high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, production, sales and service. Founded in 2015, AFMING aims to sell the corporate mission of serving the country with industry and helping to upgrade China's high-end manufacturing. It's committed to mastering the core technology, focusing on 5-axis technology, and realizing the popularity of high-end 5-axis equipment. Also, it provides efficient and excellent solutions for precision mold parts processing in aerospace, military, automotive, medical and other fields. AFMING has launched the 5-axis machining center, gantry high-speed machining center, and professional high-precision spare parts. It has won more than 30 national invention and design and other patent certificates. In 2021, the order of AFMING 5-axis CNC machines exceeded 200 million yuan and gained a good market reputation in the aerospace, aviation, AECC system and other fields.